My name is Andreas Nyman. Been in Kuehne+Nagel for 18 years and always in aerospace. We're a freight forwarder logistics company. We do like sea freight, road freight, air freight, contract logistics, etc. And within those business units, we also have vertical expertise where I operate in aerospace aviation, for example. 2 years ago, we redefined our system that how can I provide a solution including rates? What we essentially did, we took all the expertise from all our teams and then we built a database around it. So now, everyone in our AAG teams, regardless where they're based, they can go into the system, then they can calculate the local capabilities, receive live capacity rates from airlines and truckers, and then provide and book the final solution within a couple of minutes. The way we work always with our top partners is we do a joint approach to the market. A very recent one that we work closely is Tag and Track, where there's smart labels and real-time monitoring technology. The way we work is quite simple, joint success. That we learn from each other and enabling our strength to grow. And that's what we do with all our key partners. We will do more about AI. One very specific example is that we will implement it in our engine offering, where our operators today is collecting information, but we're gonna use AI to do that for us in that database. So instead of spending maybe minutes to collect that information. And then our teams can focus on validating that information to get the best solution for each specific case.